You got him with the good morning sunshines. Hey sunshines, how you doing? We're back at this. We're doing it, okay? Your girl has like lost a lot of habits. Like I don't want to say I lost a lot of habits. I want to say that I've been busy in other areas of my life, so I've fallen off with a few of my habits. Boom, you know? Especially when it comes to like working out, eating healthy, eating clean, like all those things and stuff. And I want to get back into it for sure. So I made myself a green detox tea this morning. Ooh, not me spilling the tea. The tea must be hot. But I did get some supplements that's going to help me overall and everything too. So let's get into it. So I do want to start taking collagen. This one is the Ancient Nutrition Collagen Peptide. But it says like one scoop is 20 grams of protein. So yeah. It says to mix 2 scoops of this in a 12-ounce liquid thing. I don't know if this 12 ounces, but I might do a scoop here and like a scoop later. I think I'm gonna do that. And I'm also gonna start taking the Women's Multi Omega 3 Daily Multivitamin for immune, brain, heart, and energy. This right here has, let's read it, has B12, so it helps with energy. It has omega 3 for like brain and heart support, vitamins and minerals for immune support, and then biotin for healthy hair, skin, and nails. So yeah. Then I also got me some vitamin C. This will just help like immune system and everything as well too. I was reading on this and it said that I could take the vitamin C and the collagen on an empty stomach. But when I do the Olly Women's Multivitamin, I have to take it on like at least something on my stomach, you know, just so that like the food helps absorb something up in there. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put like a scoop of the collagen in here. I just want to get back on track. Like I want to start working out consistently again, eat healthier again, and just get back to feeling like me. Like I'm gonna be honest right now, I just feel like really like bleh, you know? We will get it together. And I think it's taking me a while to just be happy like where I am right now with my body and stuff, but understand there is room for improvements. And that doesn't mean that, oh, I'm not happy in my body at all. It's just like, okay, this is where I'm at right now. Cool, bet. We're gonna get better than that. Simple. I'm gonna put that into my tea. I need just a little bit of honey. I'm sorry, I gotta get a little bit of honey. And I get my honey from the farmer's market, but there is a store that's in Inglewood where they also sell the honey and stuff too. I can do that. Now I'm gonna take my vitamin C. Okay. I don't know why I was struggling with that right now. Like I'm telling y'all now, my breakfast is not gonna be all like grand, spectacular, this and that and everything, because I have to like weigh stuff out and everything. But it's gonna be good. That's what I do now.
Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real work. Fiction, you just can't get hurt in the imaginary world.
I personally really like this bread. This is the Dave's Killer Bread. It has 21 whole grains and seeds. There's like different versions of it, but personally I find this one to be like the best for myself. Less amount of carbs, honestly, but also has 6 grams of protein as well too. So yeah, I have to put like a little bit of oil on it. I'm not supposed to, but I'm gonna have to put a little bit because I just can't eat dry bread. Like, I'm sorry, I don't know who can eat dry bread. Your mind Mason cannot. Okay. The Mother's Market, their organic extra virgin olive oil. I got this one when like one of their stores were like completely shutting down in like a day. And I was like, shit, don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. The girls that could eat just straight slices of avocados. How? I just want to know. Because, like, I think it's a texture thing for me. Yeah, that's literally what it is. I don't like the, it's gonna be good. I don't like the texture of just, like, slices of avocados. It needs to be mashed. Dang near giving guacamole. I also finished making my breakfast. I have my eggs right here and I have my avocado toast and everything, and I'm about to grub. Let me take my little, my little Insta pic. Him with the good morning sunshines. Give me your backstory. I feel like a lot of people just be thinking like, oh, I just be saying, oh, good morning, sunshine. It's like, no. So when I was younger, my mom used to always wake me up and be like, good morning, sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. And I don't know, it just kind of stuck with me, you know, to where like whenever I hear it's a nostalgic type of thing, but it makes me happy. And yeah, so that's that on that. And I'm actually going to put this on a separate thing because my eggs, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like egg whites always get runny. Okay. But it tastes good. Can't deny that. Alright. I need to go eat and do some work. And I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I'm back from my meetings and stuff. I just literally threw some stuff on right now. Like, it's that week, you know, where you know you're about to get your hair done. You're about to look real, real cute. But those rough days right before you're about to get your hair done. That's what I'm giving, okay? But yeah, we're about to go get some matcha. I want to try out this new place called Kit Coffee. Just because I heard that like they have a thing that you can buy their container of matcha. I think it's $30 and you get your refills for like $15. So I want to see if that matcha's good first. And then if it is, then I'm going to buy the little container of it. Because I really want to start making my matcha at home. I just want to like cut back on certain expenses and everything. Like I'll say end of 2024 and 2025 is really about just be about my finances, you know, like getting everything in order and stuff. I have certain things coming up in the future that I'm going to be doing and stuff, and I just want to make sure that everything's situated. I'm not just splurging on things that, yeah, the money's going to come back, you know, of course, but also like being intentional what I'm splurging on, what I'm actually buying, and if it's actually going to benefit me, my life, and my future. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't know. It was okay, you know. It was all right. It wasn't all that. Y'all, this matcha was good. I tore this matcha up, and I want to get another one. Like, it's just something about a good strawberry matcha that it does something to me. But yeah, right now I'm headed to my storage unit because I need to go pick up my, well, hopefully, I think my hair is in there. I did downsize from like a 2-bedroom, 2-bath to now a 1-bedroom with the den and 1 bathroom. And downsizing makes you realize how much stuff you have. And for me, I was like, look, I gotta get this storage unit. I can't, I cannot, you know. So one of my dressers just would not fit in there. Like, it wasn't gonna look good at all. So I was like, okay, bet, let me go ahead and just get the storage unit, put this dresser in there. And the dresser was like in my beauty room. It had all my makeup products and everything. Not all my makeup, all my hair products and stuff in there. So I put like my extensions and other stuff in there. But I want to go ahead and see if I have that kinky straight hair, because if I don't, I need to order hair today because my hair appointment's on Thursday. I'm pushing it, but like, you know, what's wrong with living life on the edge a little bit? I have some updates for y'all because I'm about to like get my stuff out of my storage unit. I went there, and why was there a roach in my storage unit? Like, yeah. So I need to finish this up, and then once I finish this up, I have to go back up there to handle some business real quick. Yeah, get things in order because that's not okay. Not at all. Hey, sunshines. So I'm headed to my hair appointment right now, and I'm getting my kinky straight sew-in. I'm excited. Like, I don't know what this is about to give, but I just have a feeling it's going to be cute, okay? It's been a very long week, and I'm just ready to look cute. That's literally it. Good morning, sunshines. And today I did end up waking up a little bit earlier because I have a lash appointment, and at my lash appointment I'm gonna go to sleep. So I got up, did a little bit of work and stuff, and yeah, got my little tea. Y'all, I'm supposed to leave in like 20 minutes, and I'm still supposed to do my hair, put on a little bit of makeup, and make something to eat. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try. That's all I'm gonna do. Good. Please let my hair come out good. Please let my hair come out good. Okay, it looks so flat right now, which I really like because I'm using kinky straight hair right now. It's my first time doing kinky straight, so yeah, I bump a few pieces and I feel like I'm gonna be good to go. Period. My forehead's giving hello, how are you? because like, I want to look put together a little bit, I have to put a little bit of makeup on. I'm sorry. Actually, no, I'm not sorry because it makes me feel put together, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. This is the Brow Fluff and Fix Brow Wax from Sephora, y'all. This stuff is so good. I saw this girl's video on TikTok using this, and I was like, okay, let me see if she really, you know, she really talking about that, you know? And she is, because yeah, this stuff is fire. Elias foundation stick, my favorite. I want to get up close and personal and show y'all how good this like matchstick is. So y'all see I'm just like covering up my blemishes, like a little bit here. Can we also talk about how like my skin has improved so much? Because this is what my skin used to look like, and this is what it look like now. Yeah. Like, yeah. Now this is like, yeah. And then my favorite blush of all time, the Lawless Phoenix blush. This is like all that I'm putting on today. I gotta put some to one size, cause look, I want my face to stay.
My girl, so if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get.
A little bit of the Mika hydrating hair oil in my hair, and then y'all gotta head out. I love this stuff so much. Okay, I'm gonna go pack up some stuff for my lash tech. So that's like a little Christmas gift, and then I'm out of here. I gotta go. I'll see y'all in the car.
I'm a dope stretcher, fucking power plate catcher. I'm a trout nigga, I'm a certified. Your sister ass sit better. I'm a bowl beetle. I'm a.
All right, I'm about to get my lashes done. This is the before. I'll give y'all bling bling. The way it's like, oh no, I don't have a favorite color. Not at all.
Last time I asked you, I'm like, cuz.
You know, you're kind of matching.
In the mirror. This one.
Oh yeah, with everything. Okay, no, I don't have a favorite color.
Is it true? You actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though.
My lashes are done. They look so good. Like, she eats every time. Let me see on this side. I feel like she tailors my lashes so well to my eye shape, especially because I have like big eyes and stuff. And it just looks real cute. Like, yeah. I ended up getting the Peanut Detox. This is the place that I went to. And it's actually pretty good. It's supposed to be like a full detox. Like, it has prebiotics. What else? And a whole bunch of other good stuff, basically, to clear out the body. I got the protein donuts. They're not good. Like, I'm gonna be honest, they're not the best. But it's not like, oh my gosh, I can't eat it. It's like, okay, I need some protein right now. Let me go ahead and have this, okay? I'm actually about to go and get my nails done. I'm here at the salon right now. All they're doing on my nails is just like taking off the extra glue. And I do my press-ons at home. So that's how you save some coins. You can go get a nice little manicure, everything else. You don't have to do that at home. But you can put your press-ons at home with nice designs and everything else. All right, so I am back home. Lashes look so good. I just need to, like, fix them up real quick. But I'm about to do my nails. I'm using these Salon Perfect. They're supposed to be, like, the Halloween type of ones, you know? But I feel like this is giving Christmas with a little, you know, little razzle-dazzle.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself, want you but really don't need help, so can you match me? I like luxury,